Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is Threads and how to create a Threads account. Threads is an application that is newly launched by Meta. It works very similarly to Twitter. Threads is directly connected to Instagram. And if you want to create a Threads account, then you have to make sure that you have an Instagram account. Without an Instagram account, there is no possible way to create your Threads account. Now moving on towards our video. I will lead you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create or sign up on your Threads account. Now let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Threads app. Before that, you'll have to go on your Play Store and install your Threads app. Once you have downloaded your Threads application, here you'll have to open it. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Threads application, on the below you'll be able to see option login with Instagram, and there you'll be able to see your Instagram name. Here you can simply log in with the help of your Instagram account, and if that is not the account that you want to use, then you can tap on switch accounts option that is located on the below. Once you have tapped on the switch accounts option, here you can see all the Instagram accounts that you have in this device. If you want to still log in using another account, then you can tap on login to another Instagram account that is located on the very end. After that, here as you can see, here you'll have to fill in your Instagram information and tap on login. For now, I will be going back and I will be logging in using my Instagram account from the very first option. Here, as you can see, you can customize your profile and you can import from Instagram. Now you'll have to tap on import from Instagram option. And once you have done that, tap on continue. Then you can also choose whether you want your Threads account to be public or private. Here I will be choosing the public profile. You can choose your preferred one. Then tap on continue. Then here you'll get an option follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram, and if you want to add some people, then you can tap on the search bar that is located on the very top. And after that, you can also tap on follow all, or if you want to skip this part, then you can simply skip this part for now. Then here you'll be said how Thread works. Here it is said that Thread is powered by Instagram and it is a part of Instagram platform. Then here you can simply tap on join Threads. Once you're done with that, here as you can see, you have successfully created your Threads account. You can tap on your profile and here you can see your profile has been set. Now that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create Threads account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.